We begin tonight with severe weather leaving destruction in Bell County. It all happened earlier this morning at the Bell County Flea Market in Belton, where powerful winds tore through the area. 6 News reporter Sydney Deshawn spoke with business owners who are now in the process of rebuilding. Sydney?
Lindsay, strong winds ripped through the market today, causing structures to collapse and leaving local businesses in shock.
I'm just trusting God to restore everything, and I'm still in shock. This is my livelihood.
David Lambert owns this shop.
Known as Dave's. Been open here since 2013.
It was turned upside down from strong winds. All his hard work ripped apart in a matter of minutes.
I saw total devastation. I saw a lot of my history and photos that are on the back wall destroyed by the water and the wind.
Lucio Norris also owns a store in the Bell County Flea Market.
And then when I came in, I said, oh man, the whole back was ripped off.
In the middle of everyone's loss, people are staying strong and coming together to get back on their feet.
For a lot of these guys out here, this is their source of income. So the faster we can get it back, up and running, the faster they can get, put food on the table for their families and whatnot.
And while David says he lost about $100,000, he still finds a glimmer of hope. A sign reading Jesus that stayed standing in it all.
When I first moved in, the first thing I did was put Jesus up on there by the light, because he is the light. So everyone from the road could see that we uplift Jesus here. And the wind left Jesus standing. The wind obeyed his name, a name above all names. But I just have all my faith in the Lord Jesus Christ to set everything straight and fix it all up for me.
Now, as business owners begin the process of rebuilding, they're asking for assistance like box trailers and U-Haul trucks to store their items, and they hope everything can get restored within just a couple of weeks. Lindsay.